So, just as I pulled up, it stopped raining. So, we're on our way. Back into high, and we're gonna kind of chill on this one. Probably get 2 videos out of this a little bit here. Head back towards the Dada. There we go. I think we're doing good. Hopefully you're liking the cycle videos. I'm enjoying them because it's a change, because I normally do walks Monday to Friday. So getting out and cycling, a little bit of exercise is just a change of scenery from the 9 to 5, you know. I have to catch up on a load of content. I'll probably head out again later on today and start editing these during the week as well as uploading. So yeah, work. It's all about the trip. Oh, I'm gonna, so far I've got Singapore, Kuala Lumpur and Thailand booked, and Thailand's gonna be Koh Samui, Bangkok, Pattaya and Chiang Mai and Chiang Rai. So if there's anything specific you want to see there, let me know in the comments below, and I'll try to get that done for you if it's within reason. You know, if there's a skydiving or bungee jumping, yeah, that's not going to happen. But if it's, you know, go to the local bar and have a drink, yeah, alright, if I have to, you know. But yeah, let me know. I will be staying in Vientiane, Laos for about a month as well. So yeah, if you see anything there, or if you want to see anything there, it sounds weird, like why stay there for a month? Well, I want to hit Japan and Korea, but they actually get affected by winter, and if I didn't stay there long enough and stay in other places, it would mean I'd be going over to Japan in winter. So I'm hoping to hit there in March for the cherry blossoms. That's when they start, so that's the goal. And then the month there now would be cheap enough, so I should be able to save a bit of money to continue on the trip as well.
Oh, it just comes across with me.
And there's the rain again. But good timing, there's a bridge. So I think it's just a quick little shower so we can see some blue skies. So we're going to pause here. Chill here for a minute, see if it stops raining, and I'll give a little look to the rear again here, because that's where we're back to, and you can kind of compare it from one of my previous videos to now, because it's been raining a lot, so it's been a bit more powerful. So we'll check that out in a minute, and then we'll cycle around for a little bit, and then I think we're done. We'll finish off at the bridge again, because that's close enough to my house. I don't let you all know, don't just all stalking me. So yeah, I think we're good. Let the kids do a little come on, engine kick in. In high gear there, it's supposed to. There we go. Ooh, dropping down on the battery now. Actually really feeling that, like. You can whip it right here, can you? It doesn't actually look as big as it was. Bigger there during the week. Pretty though. Let's head on back So. Nice balance there. Yeah. Putting on medium because the battery just drained down there to nothing very quickly. I think I went straight the last time, so I'm going to go left this time. And yeah, we do get some nice views here because we have the mountains there. There we go. So the uphill is the killer, so just when I'm heading off I have to remember that for coming back because Tallaght is uphill. Next time I'll try to turn it off completely, cycle down into town on my own power, and then just switch on the battery when I'm coming back or just chilling around town. I have to do that one. I don't know. I might plan it tomorrow. I have to put this back on charge, so we'll see. Let's see what's going on. Put it on medium power there, and there we go, a bit of battery there, and there we go. So I don't know if you can see the mountains there. It's like basically in my back garden. Oh, and I have a few things planned for my trip already. So Singapore, the gardens and the islands and... Kuala Lumpur, the Twin Towers. Oh, that sounds sort of... I think it's Sister Towers. So we're doing good so far on the booking. Visas we need to organise. Cambodia you can get a visa on arrival, but it just takes longer. It's the same price, so I'm debating whether to get that now. I have to get some shorts, some socks, some boxers, new suitcase. Gonna bring me photography gear as well, do a few shoots. But mainly just being a tourist and having fun. Walking videos. I was going to bring the drone, but so many countries have different restrictions and all, and didn't want any additional issues at the borders, so that's going to be left. Yeah, I don't know. Anything else you can think of, let me know in the comments below. It's going to be an expensive trip. So I need you to click that subscribe and share button. Get me up to 20,000 followers by tomorrow, please. No, it's not gonna happen. It's more of a hobby. So yeah, it's gonna be hopefully a fun trip. Hopefully everything goes well. And I'm hoping, waiting for 2 countries to open up, but I'm hoping within the time I'm over there, but I've got backup countries to go to just in case. So I don't want to drop those names just yet. Yeah, that's basically it. We're at the end here, so like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. Let me know where in Southeast Asia you want to see me. Thanks. We're coming up to the end, so send me money. Mr. Beast, if you're watching the most worst videos on YouTube ever and you're here and you want to donate, go ahead. You know, 10 million euro minimum. You know, unfortunately, if you're going to donate, it has to be at least 10 million, because, you know, otherwise it's not worth it. And there you go.